Hello, and welcome to the Cinema 4D Artist. In Cinema 4D there are several ways to navigate to viewports. For example, you can use the icons on top of every viewport. This icon in combination with the left mouse button allow you to pan the scene. This icon in combination with the right mouse button allows to dolly, and that will not move the camera. This icon also allow you to dolly, press and hold with the left mouse button. If you use this icon in combination with the right mouse button, you can zoom in and zoom out, and as you can see the camera doesn't move, only do this. This icon for rotating, press and hold left mouse button, rotate the camera around the scene. Press and hold the right, or banks the camera. The same functions can also be done with the keys 1, 2, and 3. Press and hold 1, and left mouse button, panning. Press and hold 1, and the right mouse button, dolly. Press and hold 2, and left mouse button, also dolly. Press and hold 2, and the right mouse button, allows you to zoom in, and zoom out. 3 is for rotating. Press and hold left for rotating around the scene. And press and hold 3, and the right mouse button, to bang the camera. And finally you can also use Alt to navigate. Hold Alt, and left mouse button, to rotate the camera around the scene. Hold Alt, and the right mouse button, to dolly the camera. And hold Alt, and the middle mouse button, to pan around the scene. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our tutorials please like, comment and subscribe.